Welcome everybody, concluding our DC Superpowers week with the old Flash. I'm pretty sure this was Barry Allen Flash. This, like I say, this is early 80s. I think I don't think they converted to Wally West yet at this point. But I must have worn him out because his gimmick was, of course, his legs would move with their sort of. I think he was probably one of my favorite characters. So he's not got. He's sounding sort of weak. You could make his leg. You can still make his legs go when you want to. Just like Hal got to carry his belt all the way around, and I think DC 1984 as well. In this, he does have treads on the bottom of his shoes. I don't know if it's going to show up on camera, but I think that's sort of a flash effect, so he could, one of his gimmicks. Paint sort of wearing off on his ears. His neck's sort of like Aquaman, a little bit jammed up. He's still got little motion left in there. Got the knee. He has the knees too. I say these are, as I'm looking back at them, these are pretty good action figures as far as details go, and I say, of course, the plastic is just worn out on those. They weren't designed to be around for 40 years. But I think when I was a kid, I really liked the Flash. I actually did have a few of his comic books, but I didn't know the whole Barry Allen, Wally West mythology. I remember the Kid Flash from when I was a little kid. They had like a Say No to Drugs version of the book, and I think I had that. But then I knew the Flash and the Kid Flash were two different people. But then the Kid Flash turned into the Flash because the real Flash was gone. I say it's a pretty convoluted story. I'm sort of familiar with it now, but not super. But like I said, I still think he's the coolest. I even liked him better than Superman. I was one of those weird kids. But anyway, I've babbled on long enough. Thanks for watching. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe. Plenty more to go where this came from, and I'll see you next time.